So they track exactly which location they find which tracks como ilegal.
En anglais, voilà, comme illégal.
Good morning, internet. It is, it's nearly 8:30 in the morning. And welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in Kribi, Cameroon. I'm now right over here in Kribi, and I'm gonna follow the coast a little bit longer to see a bit more. And then I'm gonna backtrack and ride back up here to the capital of Cameroon, Yaoundé, over here. What a cool road. And I'm riding very close to the coast, but there's a bunch of forest in between, jungle here on my right side. And it starts raining again. It's unbelievable the amount of rain that's still here, even though the rainy season should have finished. Close to the beach now. Je cherche une chambre. Then I'll just look at the beach and go. It's this way, right? Yeah.
I'm trying to check any room.
Okay, great. Thank you. I'll stop when I come back. Okay, thank you. Bonjour.
Place, c'est bien. Il y a la place?
Oui? Okay. Ici? Hein?
On descend.
Ici? Ok.
La case, c'est là.
Ah, la plage ici. Ok.
Et le président vient, hein?
Okay. Okay, I'm following him. Ici? Okay. Okay. Yeah, c'est bon. So, change of plans, I have been decorated with flowers in the meantime. As you can see, I found a place to stay for tonight. I decided to, try and stay here today. I didn't ride very far. It was only, I think, 50 kilometers from Kribi. But then the rain started and I arrived there and I was like, actually, I just want to really experience the beach here and experience this place. And I was like, let's just stay here and then ride to Yaoundé the next day. It was gonna be a really long day anyway, I think. So I think this is better. And there is a turtle project here as well, because there are sea turtles that will come and lay their eggs here on the beach. So I'm gonna check that out and see what else is there and see if I can find a meal and that sort of thing. What a slice of paradise, right? I even have to be careful that a coconut will not fall on my head, because there are coconut trees everywhere here. Really pretty, right? Oh. Wow, so these are all different species of turtles, or?
Yes.
Wow, look at the size of these. So these turtles unfortunately all had accidents, encounters with boats, and they found them on the beach. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is hawksbill turtle.
Yes. This is the green turtle.
Green turtle.
Green turtle.
Green turtle, hawksbill turtle.
Yes.
And that big one?
It's the green soup.
Also green turtle.
Yes.
See if I can get anything to eat here. Sure what that is. Okay. You know what I should actually do is check my air filter, or Alaska's air filter, because I haven't looked at it or cleaned it since I left Benin. So I think I'm just gonna open up the air books and have a little look. Looks a little filthy. Here's my filter. Filter looks okay. It's not that bad. So I'm using aftermarket air filters because the original Honda one is a paper one, and you can't clean paper air filters really. So then all the time I have to put new ones in, and they're quite big, so they take up a lot of space. So when did I start using these? A long time ago. I think in Central America, I think I started using these because they are rewashable. I'm just going to do that with this one. I'll just show you how I do it. So I apply the cleaner. And then I let it sit for about 5 minutes. No, I think a bit more, 10 minutes. I think I let it sit, and then I just wash it out with water. This is the shower, by the way. I can have a bucket shower here. So now my filter is clean and dry, so it's time to re-oil it. I'll just generally apply it. until I see that everything is soaked. And then I put it back. All right, it is dinner time. The sun is gonna set soon as well. Once it is dark, I'm going to join some turtle patrol on the beach for a couple of hours. But first I'm gonna eat dinner, and I don't know, I was completely surprised because suddenly this lady showed up with food that I didn't expect, but they prepared me a dinner, which is amazing. Look at this. I got a beautiful fish and some plantain, and I have view on Alaska and the ocean. Look at that. So it is now 8:45, so the patrol guys should be here within, I don't know, the next 30 minutes or so. It has been pouring with rain for the last hour and a half. There has been thunder and lightning. So I really hope, obviously, it will stop raining. But rain or no rain, and the patrol guys will go out. And they told me that the turtles actually like to come out to the beach and lay eggs when it's raining. So it's still important to go out. So I'm just bringing my rain jacket just in case. But yeah, I will be several hours out. It will be somewhere between 3 and 4 hours that we will be patrolling the beach. Patrol has started and it actually stopped raining. So that is great. I have to look where I'm going though. It's very dark. So they track exactly on this, they have an app and they're making pictures. So they're tracking exactly which location they find which tracks and which nest. So they're now measuring the tracks. So this is where the turtle laid the eggs. So they're now recording the position where they find it. ¿Hay huevos?
No, no hay
No.
huevos. No hay huevos. No.
Ah, okay, okay.
La gente lo ha sacado.
Como ilegal.
Voilà, como ilegal.
So unfortunately we came too late. This nest is from yesterday, but poachers were there before us, so the eggs were taken from the nest already. So, and I am back. It is now 1 o'clock in the morning. We walked 10 kilometers on the beach. I'm exhausted. Unfortunately, no turtle. I have a feeling, remember when I was in Mexico, I also walked the beach in the nighttime. Also didn't see any turtles. So I have a feeling that there's like a turtle tom-tom going on, telling them, hey, there's this Dutch biker woman again. Hide! So yeah, unfortunately no turtle, but it was really interesting to see how they patrol and register everything. And yeah, it's good to see that the turtles here are also being protected for as far as they can, of course, because yeah, the nest that we found was unfortunately empty. I'm going to bed now quickly, so that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and then I will see you in the next video.